Hey, what's going on today, guys? Today, guys, we're talking about the Lamborghini Urus, the new SUV that just came out. Um, I don't. Well, I guess if you like Lamborghinis, it's actually 640 horsepower, and that's for the SUV. But if you go with the Lamborghini car, the new one, it's Horus or something. It's actually 640 horsepower also. But the car costs about a little over $60,000 more than the SUV. But anyway, I'll get to that in a minute. But this is a 2019 Lamborghini Urus SUV. Like I said, it runs around 640 horsepower, pushing out about 627 torque, which is pretty good. It does 0 to 60 in 3.6 seconds. I mean, 3.6 seconds, 0 to 60, that's not shabby at all. Okay, quarter a mile, it runs the quarter mile in 190 miles per hour. Yeah, and it runs around $200,000. What I like about this, and which I'll probably get in my next vehicle, all-wheel drive. I'm telling you, as far as older all-wheel drive cars, did not like them. They broke down, real expensive to work on. But nowadays, anything with some speed is pretty much all-wheel drive. I'm starting to like all-wheel drive. Okay, it's all-wheel drive. It's a 4.0 liter twin V8 motor. And then, if you want to talk about something that's kind of comparable to it, you can talk about the BMW X5M, which I don't mind the room. I like the room in the X5M, the BMW. It's an SUV. It is the SUV. It runs around 567 horsepower. It's not as good as a freaking Lamborghini, but still, that's pretty decent. 567 horsepower will get you anywhere you need to go. And it's 553 torque on that, but half the price, people. Those things are running $102,000. Let's see, more room, probably gonna be a better ride, and half the money. I don't know, sounds good to me. But then, like I was saying a while ago, the Huracan is Huracan, Huracan, I believe. Evo, Lamborghini, is a car, but that thing is $261,000. $261,000 for a 640 horsepower car, or $200,000 for a 640 horsepower Lamborghini SUV. Hey, I picked the SUV all day. But anyway, that's got 640 horsepower, and it also has 442 pounds of torque in it, which still, it's not that shabby. But come on, if you want to get to something that's really nice, and just like smells like money, we can also go with the Bentley Bentayga. The Bentley Bentayga is, you have to get the V8 model though, Because they have a couple different models. Some of them are more expensive. The W12 engine, it's like $35,000 more. But if you just get the, the regular V8 for the Bentley Bentayga, which is only 542 horsepower. So you're going down a little bit in horsepower, but it's a Bentley though. It's 568 foot-pounds of torque, but it only runs $168,000. So you can get a Bentley Bentayga for $168,000, or you can get the Lamborghini Urus for $200,000. Yeah, or the BMW, the X5M, you can get it for $101,000. But honestly, I'd take any of them. I would love to have the BMW. I would love to have the BMW. But I guess that's it for today. But yeah, I'm gonna do videos. Man, that Bentley is nice. I'm gonna do videos on the Bentley and the BMW to give you kind of a full spec rundown, on everything. But just want to give you a couple comparisons, as far as if you're out there looking or whatever. Yeah. So yeah, that's my thing for today. My car review, and it's on the Lamborghini Urus. All right. Be good to yourself and be good to others. Thank you for watching.